Alright, boys and girls, it is Ms. Dobbins again. We are still going to practice today adding ones to a two-digit number. We are not going to cross the decade number again today. We're just going to look at a new strategy which we might use as a shortcut. So yesterday we learned how to add using the 10 frames, 10 sticks and ones, and then the 100s chart. Today we are actually going to use the strategy that we used most when we already know how to add, which is putting the large number in our head and counting on. Okay, so our I can statement is right here. Go ahead and give me that big Superman pose, hands on your hips. Deep breath and repeat after me. I can add a one-digit number to a two-digit number using strategies. Okay, great. So yesterday we learned 3 strategies, and today we're going to use one more that I think we'll probably use the most. So let's make sure we pay close attention. Counting on. So here I have 4 groups of problems, and you'll notice I don't have a 100s chart. I don't have 10 sticks and ones. I don't have a 10 frame. We are simply going to use our brain to figure out these problems and possibly just draw dots. So when we are adding, we know that we put the larger number in our head and then use our fingers to count on, or draw dots to count on. So when we say that we're going to add 21 plus 6, what is the larger number here, boys and girls? 21. So I'm going to circle that bigger number, and I know that that's what goes in my head, 21, and then I'm adding on how many? 6. So I can do 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then when I count on, I start at 21, so I'll point to it 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That tells me that my answer is 27. Okay, so circling the large number, drawing dots for the other number to count on. Let's move on to the next one. 62 plus 5. Wow, such big numbers, but I know that we can do it. Which one is the larger number that we will put in our head? 62. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that larger number. And then how many am I counting on? 5. So how many dots do I need to draw? 5. Very good job. Okay. So then I know I'm going to start with pointing and saying 62 and count on. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Go ahead and write my answer. I know that 67 is 6 and 7. All right, let's move on to the next one. I have 33 plus 3. We're going to circle the large number. What is the larger number? 33. And then how many dots do I need to draw to count on? 1, 2, 3. Very good job. So then I'm going to point to the larger number, start counting there with putting that one in my head. 33, 34, 35, 36. And I can write a 36 with a 3 and a 6. All right, our very last one for right now is 77 plus 2. What's the larger number, boys and girls? It is 77. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that, and then I'm adding or counting on 2. So I need 1, 2 dots. Then I'm going to start at 77 and count on. So 77, 78, 79. And then I can write that with a 7 and a 9. Okay, very good job. So for your VIP today, I believe it's going to be on Seesaw. You are going to have to use the count on strategy. So make sure that you're circling the larger number, drawing dots for what you're counting or adding on, and then write your answer in the spot. I hope that you like this strategy. It's probably one that we're going to use a little bit more because it is quicker than drawing 10 sticks and ones or having to use a 100s chart or the 10 frame. So I hope you like this one. I want you to get a little bit of practice today on your VIP. So go ahead and get started with that, and I'll see you tomorrow.